Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data-driven leadership with Gallup step by step clearly. To start data-driven leadership with Gallup, begin by understanding the foundational concepts of data-driven leadership. Familiarize yourself with Gallup's research on employee engagement and organizational performance. Identify key metrics that align with your organization's goals and objectives. Collect relevant data through surveys, interviews, and performance metrics. Analyze your existing data to uncover trends and patterns related to employee engagement and performance. Use Gallup's Q12 Employee Engagement Survey to assess employee sentiments and attitudes. Interpret the results to highlight strengths and areas for improvement within your team. Share the findings with your leadership team to foster a culture of transparency and collaboration. Develop a strategic action plan based on the data insights to enhance employee engagement and performance. Implement the action plan and ensure all team members understand their roles in achieving the goals. Regularly review and adjust the plan based on ongoing data collection and feedback. Encourage continuous feedback loops to measure progress and make necessary adjustments. Celebrate successes along the way to maintain momentum and motivation. Invest in leadership training focused on data interpretation and decision-making. Create an environment where data-driven discussions are encouraged in team meetings. Foster a culture of accountability by holding leaders. Continue to leverage Gallup's resources and insights to refine your approach to data-driven leadership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.